I thought this was supposed to be about stocks. Where?
What's up, people? Yeah, where's all my geniuses? Everybody got out of the sink in the nick of time, right? Everybody was dumping that stock at 18. You all got printed at the high of the day. And I know, 17 and a half, you're all out. Then you went short because everyone's a genius on that stock. I never see anybody making any mistakes in that stock. Now, the question is it over? Is this a buying opportunity? Listen, every time that stock tries to pretend that it's a real stock, you get woke up to the idea that it could go to 50, but at the same time, it could go to $2. Anything's possible. Whether you believe in what the company does, the NIA, lead bed, when you have a stock that hits 18 and then plummets down to 13 and a half, that's a dangerous stock to be trading. There's no options on it. You can't get shorts. And everybody that told me that they shorted it, please, come on, you're lying. I got 3 platforms. There was maybe 10,000 shares out there in the ether that you were able to short. You're the guy. You're the guy that got all the shorts. I know. You probably have options on it too, even though they don't exist. But all right. But listen, we had our bull moment, and now we're having our sell-off. So all those dead cat stocks, the GMCR, done, right? We're not looking for recoveries here. Investing is dead. Swing trading is too dangerous. If you're going to swing trade, you have to be prepared for something to happen to you like in a sink. Then you get a gap up on a price line. And the reason I sell naked calls on price line instead of shorting the stock is I know if I saw a price line gapping up 8 points this morning, I probably would have been the idiot that covered at the high of the day and then it rolls over down 20. So the idea is that we've had our bull moment. Now we're having our bear moment. The market's not going anywhere. All right? We might not be going anywhere for another 10 years, okay? Because they'll invent something else. Europe gets fixed, there'll be something else. Iran, remember that? Remember Iran, nuclear attack on Israel? What happened to that? What happened to what about the Egypt crisis, right? They don't have a leader over there. What happens when Egypt starts to rise up? Remember that? Last year? All we cared about is Egypt, Molotov cocktails, stock market starts crashing. Come on. There's going to be something to make the market go up, and then there'll be something for the market to go down. We are in a boom and bust economy. Not that the relationship of the economy goes with the stock market. The disconnect between the stock market and reality is bigger than ever. It's not about what these companies do. It's not about what they make. It's not about their earnings reports. It's about price action and what is happening before your eyes. Stock goes negative in the face of an uptrending market, you short it. That's it. Don't ask questions. Stock's down 3 or 4%. Don't be the guy that's trying to pick a bottom on a stock like QCOR, QCOR. Go ahead, keep trying to pick a bottom on it. You're going to get hammered. The point I'm trying to make is investing doesn't work. Swing trading doesn't work. None of this works. You need to be sitting at your computer, hands on the keyboard. And if you walk away, make sure you have a stop or a human stop. We're coming up with something called the human stop loss. So if you get away from if you leave your desk, there'll be somebody there walking behind you. Don't get up. Don't forget you own stock. Don't get up. Human stop loss. See? Here he comes. He's talking to you.
Sit down.
The camera's over there.
Sit down.
You need to be at the desk. You need to be on Hit the Bid radio program. And I don't know what other radio programs or internet websites or informational or trade the news. Trade the news? Trade the news? First of all, the news is out. You don't have it. There's 5 guys that have it before you. Then you got the guy that's typing the news in.
Sit down.
Then he's typing the news in. That guy's got the news before you. Then the guys at that website, they got the news before you. Do you ever notice that sometimes when you try to trade the news that goes the other way where you think the stock would be going because of the news? It's because everybody has the news before you get it. Price action is all you care about. Don't ask why, just do it.